Hi everyone. If you ever wonder how to capture a certain figure in a big data, let me introduce you to a VLOOKUP. A VLOOKUP is something you could use a data to capture a specific figure. So let me show you an example. Let's take this table. I'm just gonna copy this table and then paste it here. So we can mirror copy this table from this one. So I'm just gonna delete all this. So now let's say this is your part number, and then you want to figure it out, the fabricated, the purchase part, pretty much the product code, and then the unit measurement, just the same thing. So instead of, mind you, could be a big data. Let's say this data I have almost 144,000 parts in here. So if you want to just mirror copy some of those, all you just gotta do is you could use a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP works equal sign VLOOKUP. It will show up here. Double click, and then you tell it what to look from this table. So I'm telling it, look this specific part, comma, go to from this table. I'll just select the rows, all those row 1 to E, and then fabricated is number 2. So here, I'm sorry, number 2. So 1, 2. So you say comma, go and look for me in column 2, which is number 2, and you can say true or false or 0 or 1. That's the same thing. That means it's a true match. And then close the parentheses. So you will see pretty much we mirror copy this part to this one. And the other quickest way, instead of doing the same thing I just did, what you could do is, let me do one more so you can understand it better. Equal sign, VLOOKUP, copy this material, comma, come here from A all the way to, now purchase is number 3 here. So you put 3 with a true match 0. And then here you go, you got the Y again. So if you have multiple columns here, a few more columns to work on, what you could do is actually you can come and then put your dollar sign. So you can put your dollar sign under next to N, which is always look for N. It will be all this row. And then come here and tell it from table always look from A to E. So I'll put the dollar sign here to lock it. So your data is gonna capture, look for from A to E from this row, from N. Okay, so and then now I can just go and drag it. All you need to do is you can come back and say product is number 4. You change number 4 here, and then in here you change number 5. There you go. So you can easily do it this way. Or then to just go through the whole table, you just double click. That will just mirror copy what we just did here. So let's say if you have this, I have almost 144,000 parts. Let's say I can go all the way down here, and then I can just pick a few part number. So I can come back, and I don't want to go here. You can just add it right here, and then come back and just drag this, and then it will capture that data for you where to get it. So this will be a lot easier way, which is a VLOOKUP, to capture some data you need from big data. Hope this helped. Thank you.